Today on Free Field Training, we are doing our May police equipment giveaway. We are also doing the drawing for last month's police equipment giveaway, both on YouTube and Instagram. I've got a YouTube and an Instagram giveaway this month. This whole thing is sponsored by Hollow Point Coffee. I highly recommend their 45 ACP, was it 45 Fearless Coffee? You can buy it and drink it even if you're a 9mm or 380 person, but we will judge you. There's a link and a coupon code for this down in the description. You want to support the channel, use all the links, the coupon codes, and buy some coffee. That helps me out a whole bunch. Also, we've got SHIELDBOX on board this month. We've got LA police gear with a whole duty belt box set, which we used in the security equipment, police security duty belt video. We also have a CCW sling bag from JS Designs Bags. We're giving away the suspenders from last month. We're giving away the SHIELDBOX from last month. We're giving away a SHIELDBOX this month. I've got a WEAPONLIGHT from Olight that we're giving away. We got all sorts of stuff to give away, so I'm going to get right down to it. We're going to start by doing the drawing for last month's police equipment giveaway. We had some suspenders from 911 gear that are awesome. They're duty belt suspenders. And we had a SHIELDBOX and other exciting stuff that went inside of it. We're going to draw those right now as usual. I cut up all sorts of little slips of paper. I'm going to show you that they are all different. These are for the Instagram giveaway. Show it on here and then show it to the Instagram live stream audience. If you want to be part of the conversation, go check me out on Instagram, Tommy_Free Field Training. That's also where you can get in on this giveaway that I am pulling right now. As you can see, they're all different names on here. Pull one more out so people can see. You enter the Instagram giveaways by tagging a friend. There's unlimited entries on the Instagram giveaways. As usual, all of the rules are in the descriptions of both this video and on Instagram. So I'm going to pull one of these. And that will be our winner for the suspenders. Looks like our winner is Officer Norm, OFC_Norm. See if I can get that to focus on that on YouTube here. Show the Instagram people. OFC Norm. So we're going to throw that to the side so I don't lose it. Please, OFC Norm. The last person from last month's giveaway never contacted me. Please contact me and claim your prize. Our SHIELDBOX giveaway for last month. SHIELDBOX every month sends me a box full of miscellaneous police equipment. We're going to go over what this month's SHIELDBOX is here in a moment and show you how you can enter. Basically, we enter to win the SHIELDBOXes and whatever else we throw in with the YouTube stuff every month. We enter those by commenting down below the YouTube video that you're watching if you're watching on YouTube right now. So to show you that all of these are different, one. Show my Instagram audience there. If you're watching this after the fact, you can watch the live stream from the Instagram. You can watch that on my Instagram TV. So you go to Tommy_Free Field Training, you click on the little TV icon, and you can watch all of the previous giveaways. So, we're going to draw that right now. Throw them all back in there. Mix them all on up. Pull one out. And our winner this month is Rescue 29. Rescue 29 won the SHIELDBOX and associated stuff in the SHIELDBOX. Hopefully I'm not forgetting anything here. Throw those down. That'll be kindling later. This month's giveaway over on Instagram. I have two things that we are giving away over on Instagram. It is already live over on Instagram, so if you're watching on Instagram, go over there as soon as the video's over and enter the giveaway. Long story short of it, you have to be a resident of the U.S. because I'm not shipping this stuff all over the world, and you have to be over 18 because, you know, it's a giveaway, And apparently those are the rules. That's what I've heard. And you have to tag people with under 5,000 followers, like actual friends, people that you know, in the comments section of the Instagram giveaway. There's unlimited entries, so you can just you can tag everyone in your friends list that has under 5,000 followers. That actually works out great for me. You also have to follow the companies that are giving things away in the giveaway. So the first one we have is the JS Designs CCW Sling Bag. If you're watching this over on Instagram, you can go over to their Instagram and see a bunch of shots of this bag, but basically it's a sling bag that is compatible for left-handed or right-handed shoulder carry, and you pull on a tab, and inside is a CCW pouch, and then there's a pouch on the outside of this where you can carry all sorts of other stuff. Is it police equipment? Maybe not 100%. Is it cool? Yeah. Does it seem pretty well made? Yeah, it's actually pretty well made. I was surprised. I expected more of a cheap $20 CCW fanny pack level of construction, and this seems to be pretty solidly constructed. I like their molly on the front that allows you to attach pouches different directions. I don't think I would attach pouches different directions if I was using this as a CCW bag, but one interesting thing about this is that this is all loop Velcro in here, so you could attach a pouch anywhere on here, and if you needed more space, you could easily cut these little loops off of here to attach patches and stuff to this, which is kind of cool. So that is one thing that is on our giveaway. So over on Instagram, follow them and enter with your friends. And then we have the LA Police Gear Duty Box Set. And just like I showed in you can see more details of this over in the security duty belt video that I did over on YouTube. This is the duty belt. So plus side of this is you get all of these pouches and a belt. Downside of this is to save on problems, I had them send me the actual belt. So you're going to get the pouches and the belt. The belt is size medium, so if you're not a size medium, which would be sizes 28 to 36, men's waist, you may have to buy a new actual belt and you'll just get all of the associated pouches. So you'd be out like 15 bucks or something on the belt. These belts are very affordable, would be the nice way of saying it. Very affordable, very entry-level security duty belt type of stuff. We did this with the security duty belt video. I'll put a little link up there if you're on YouTube, so that you can see that you didn't have to spend a lot of money to make something that looks pretty professional. And you know, if you get the 10-foot test, does it look right from 10 feet away? Does it look like a duty belt? It definitely does. It's going to hold up for a while, get you in the door, make you look more professional than not wearing a belt at all, or just attaching miscellaneous non-matching pouches onto, you know, the belt that you buy at Walmart, or using a leather work belt, which I've seen a lot of people do. That is over on Instagram, so Tommy_freefieldtraining. It's going to be this picture. Go down below it, tag friends to enter to win. Make sure you like and comment and all that stuff. There'll be an explanation on what to do on that post. We also have SHIELDBOX for this month. We also have Olight, of course, has their flash sale going on, and on the flash sale, they got all sorts of stuff, including a new i5T EOS. Everybody knows I like these little flashlights. I think this is probably the best product that Olight makes, because it's just a very convenient little, relatively cheap light that isn't trying to be anything astounding, and they come out with different colors every month. And because they're coming out with a different color this month, this one's like a silver and a blue one, they send me a bunch of stuff to give away. So if you're interested in their flash sale and getting a deal on Olight lights, there's a link down in the description, and then a big long thing that they send me with all the stuff about their flash sale. But also, I have a Olight weapon light, one of their PL Pro Valkyries. It's a rechargeable 1500 lumen weapon light. I got a couple of these out to guys at work for long-term testing. They have not had any problems with them yet. So, and if they do, I will let you guys know. But for right now, we're giving these away. So if you want a new tan weapon light or another color of an i5T EOS, or you never use an i5T EOS, these are the YouTube giveaway. We'll tell you how to enter the YouTube giveaway here in a second. We're going to go inside the SHIELDBOX and show you what you have this month. I think you guys are going to be pretty excited about this. I am. I already opened it up because I can't wait to peek these anymore. They've been putting good stuff on here. Here is, in case you want to freeze frame it and see all of the values right there for SHIELDBOX and what's inside this month. They say the total estimated value is $92.93. SHIELDBOX, of course, is a subscription box. If you go to the link down in the description and use my coupon code, you can save a little money. It's about $50-something a month, and then they send you more than $50-something a month worth of police and associated equipment. So this month, there is a multi-tool from Gerber, a Moto t-shirt from 1350. They don't call it a Moto t-shirt, but that's what it's going to be. I guarantee it's going to have like a logo on the front. Acre belt keeper, so a good quality leather belt keeper. Boot laces from Uncommon Valor. Flame retardant and high resistance to abrasions, chemicals, salt water, and UV rays, whatever. I don't know very many people in the police or security industry that couldn't use a pair of laces for their boots at some point. And a pair of Cobra cuffs, which, you know, use all the time. Love them. Whoop. So let's take a look. Here are your Uncommon Valor boot laces. They say they are over 500-pound rated. They are flame retardant, chemical resistant, excellent stability in extreme environments, non-slip, non-stretch. They're 72 inches long. They're just black boot laces. Here are your Acre belt keepers. If you do not know, Acre Leather is a very high quality leather maker. And these are very high quality, just plain leather belt keepers. Just about everybody I know has lost belt keepers at some point. If nothing else, you could throw them in your locker, and when you lose your belt keepers later, you've got spares. So that is quite nice. And you have a dark blue Moto t-shirt that says 1350 apparel and has an American flag on the side. It actually looks kind of good. And if none of you savages claims this thing this month and it ends up getting rolled over, I might just steal this out of the boxes, and it won't be part of the next giveaway when we do our bumper giveaway. But that's pretty cool. I actually kind of like that shirt. It's more subdued than most of the Moto t-shirts that you get out there, and I like the color. Dark blue instead of your normal black or, you know, desert tan or crazy green. Got mil-spec plastic Cobra cuffs. In case you're not familiar with these, I've got a whole video on how these work. Basically pop them open and you have a pair of zip cuffs that conveniently fold up and store. You can store these in a double mag pouch. You can store these in a double rifle mag pouch, or a rifle mag pouch, or you can store them in a single pistol mag pouch, which I have one of these on my vest and work. Single pistol mag pouch weighs nothing. The pouch weighs more than the thing that you're carrying. You also have a Gerber Suspension NXT multi-tool. These are awesome, and this alone is worth the price of admission of the SHIELDBOX. So I'm pretty excited about that. In case you want to see all of the stuffs that it has on it, get a better look at the Gerber multi-tool that they have. I've always said with these subscription boxes, if they can give you a mid-tier knife or flashlight, along with a bunch of other stuff that you can actually use, they're in business for having a good subscription box. And that's really awesome. That is an awesome thing to add to a giveaway. Plus the belt keepers we could all use. And this is the first time I've gotten a SHIELDBOX, and literally everything that's come in it, I would use. I would find use for absolutely everything in this month's SHIELDBOX. So I'm really excited about that. Put that in there. I kind of hope none of you savages get this SHIELDBOX, that no one ever comes and claims it. But I also have lots of these sitting in my basement, so I'll be gladly giving it out just to get it out of my basement. However, if you do not claim this, again, for the 5,000th time, nobody claims their monthly giveaway box. I'm still trying to get a hold of the people from last month. We will roll it over, and at the end of the year, I guess we'll have to do like a huge giveaway, or maybe I'll take them all into work and give them away. We'll see. But to enter the giveaway with the SHIELDBOX, please come get your stuff if you win it. People from last month, please come get your stuff. This, and this, and this. All you have to do is comment down in the comment section below this YouTube video what you are most excited about between the SHIELDBOX and the flashlights. You could say, I like that Gerber multi-tool. I like that SHIELDBOX. I like that Olight PL Pro Valkyrie. And that's all you have to do. Put a unique comment down below, like this video, and you are entered. And next month, I'm going to cut up all the little scraps of paper again. Actually, I'm going to have my kids do it for me, and we will draw the giveaway just like we did at the beginning of this video. So now I'm going to take some comments and questions from the Instagram live stream audience, since they've been so politely sitting here and clicking on the little heart button. Until next week, you guys be safe and take care of each other. If you want to see the comments and questions after this, people get to ask me random police equipment and training questions. Head on over to Instagram, Tommy_FreeFieldTraining, and you can watch the video. Hey, thanks for watching Free Field Training on YouTube. And while you're here, why don't you check out some of these other goofy videos that I've made? Or you could subscribe, or maybe go over to Patreon and see how you get your name put on the videos, like these fine folks over here. All the links are, of course, down in the description. We'll see you guys next time.